Hi, today I'd like to share with you some of my favorite features of these wooden utensils. They are made of bamboo, so they're nice and light. I like the versatility of this pack. You can see we have a flipper or turner here. We have a spoon that has the teeth grooved into it. We have a spoon with some slots cut, another flipper or turner with some grooves cut in, your wooden spoon, and then this spatula style with the pre-measured hole for pasta. Another really nice feature that they did is these pre-drilled holes. So if you wanted to, you could easily put a string, a rope, or anything through that if you wanted to hang them. Now, these ones I'm showing you here are not brand new out of the box. These have been used for quite some time. They're very easy to clean, so I wanted to show you here. I don't see any staining, anything like that. Real nice and easy to clean so that you can use them for a long time. Another thing that I really like is how easy these are to store since they're not super big. You could easily fit them into a container, like I'm putting them into this mason jar. Okay. Obviously the jar doesn't come with it, but you have something around the house that can easily store it.